heading out to a job. The lady said the door's off track. It sounds like a cable's either off or broke. And I'm heading over there. When I get there, we'll be back on with you. I'm trying to, spread this trade because it's such a good trade. And it's been such a good trade to me that, I'm just letting people in on it. We got a lot of positive people on there that want to learn this trade. A lot of clients that sign up, and we got some idiots as well that sit there and make fun of people's lists. Anyway, have a good day. I'll be back at you when I get to the job, and with my list, I'll show you what we charge. Okay, this is the door here. You see it's crooked hanging there in the opening. You see that? And I'm gonna look up at the springs, make sure they're good. Look over here, it looks like this cable's still on. If you can look in between there, you see this cable, you can see it still has a lot of tension. You look over here on this side, and you don't even see a cable. So I'm gonna go underneath, check out what it needs. Let's see here. Okay, so you got looks like the bottom fixture just came out of the pin. Let's see here, let's see the top roller comes out. This is what makes them come off the track. You see, because it's pulling on this side too much, all the spring tension, so it pulls this side, that side has nothing being pulled, so it jams itself, and it'll, the top panel normally comes off. Here's the cable here, and there's the roller there. So basically you don't need any parts. I'm just gonna do this. This probably will take me 10 minutes. I will service the door. I'm gonna call the lady, and then she lives right around here, so I'm gonna pick a check up when I'm done. But I'm gonna call her now, tell her the price, and go from there. Okay, I got the door straight again, see that? And then now I'm just gonna pop this cable back on. You have the gap right here. If you look, not a big gap anymore. Now the door is opening. I just got to change out this roller. One of these rollers fell off right here. This pin. I'm going to change out that roller. It's right there on the floor. You see that round thing? How close you are to the door. You see where the door is right here? Look where my truck is. Watch this. One step. One, open the door. I got $601 for that right there, and the lady lives like a mile and a half from here. I'm gonna drive by and pick up the check, and I'll show you when I get back in the car. Here's the check, 601. Okay, so that took me all of an hour, no parts. Now I'm gonna go eat a nice deli sandwich at this good deli over here. This is what you get to do during the day. You can do this, go out and do some calls, make some good money. Where in the world can you do this? Take a chance, get your garage door training certificate online. You go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com, get on our website. You can schedule a call with me. We can tell you more about it. If you don't want to know more about it, you want to get started right away, just sign right up. You will not be sorry. Trust me on that one. You'll have so much opportunity out there. Way more money than you're making now. Anything you're doing now is going to be secondary, and it won't even be a factor. If you're doing something now, you're not going to want to do that later. It's just too lucrative. It's too much money to compare to anything else. Why would you want to do the other thing? So anyway, I hope you guys have learned something here, and I hope to see you in the class. This business has always been good. I've done it for a long time. This is the most rewarding trade. It's the most lucrative. People are always calling. You can make fast money in this business. I'm trying to tell you guys how you make money. Go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. We teach you how to do this. And you could go out and do exactly what I just did on everybody who calls you. Simpler jobs than that exist. You get paid incredible money for what you do. You really don't do much. I'm offering this to you to teach you guys, next generation, or any generation for that, who wants to learn how to be a good garage door technician and you would just have to apply it and make money. But to work for someone, they're gonna make you do it anyway, right? They're gonna make you apply whatever they teach you, and then you're gonna make them money. So what's the difference? So you can learn it, go apply it, and you pocket all the cash instead of letting someone else get rich on you. I hope to see you guys in the class. You're not gonna get a training school like this. Anyway, there's a lot of traffic here. I don't like talking when I'm driving, so over and out.